Hello, Central York Middle School. Today we are going to start our CPM curriculum using Core Connections 2. Today our lesson is Problem 1-2, and you will need to use the resource page in Schoology, and you will need to complete all 8 sets. Today we are going to look at Problem 1-2. One of the strategies that we sometimes use in mathematics is we like to look at what things have in common. For example, I am a field hockey player, and maybe it's the first time I'm watching a soccer game. I might look for what field hockey and soccer have in common. For example, they use the same number of players. They both have goals. They both use one ball, and you try to get your ball in the opposing team's goal to score. And I might look at some of their differences. So today we are going to look at 8 sets of cards. There are 4 cards in each set. And here are our directions. In mathematics, it is sometimes useful to make general statements about sets of objects. In this problem, you will be given a set of cards, which is on a resource page which you can find in Schoology. These sets of cards will have mathematical objects or information on them. You will be working individually, and you will need to determine what each set has in common. Please skip step 2. On your paper, you will add 2 new examples that would belong to each set, and then describe in words what all the objects or information on the set of cards have in common. When you are finished, please go on and complete numbers 1-4, 1-5, and 1-6. When you have finished all of the problems, please submit it to Schoology. Here is set number 1. So I take a look at the 4 cards, and I think to myself, what do they all have in common? Well, I notice that they are all graph coordinates, and that the y-coordinate is 2 more than the x-coordinate. So I notice that the y-coordinate is 2 more than the x-coordinate. So I decided to write down my description first. So I wrote down my description, and now I'm writing 2 more examples. And for example 1, my x-coordinate is 0, and then my y-coordinate is 2. And for example 2, my x-coordinate is 30, and my y-coordinate is 32. Please go and finish the next 7 sets of cards, and when you are done, please complete the homework. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.